So if you're logged into your account through the web for Microsoft 365, there's some things you can do for security. Certainly you should have methods for some type of two-factor authentication. You can also add an authenticator, and it does not have to be Microsoft's app. It can be my preference is Authy, which has many more options for multiple devices and allows you to have access to your codes on your PC and on multiple devices because you lose your phone and you can't do anything if you can't authenticate. So basically, there's add a method. We're going to look at authenticator here and add. I want to use a different authenticator app. And in your account, it says add a new account, right? So for myself, I can't really show you here, but we do use Authy. So if I go into Authy and I want to create a new account, and that's a screen for me to scan a code. Let's see if we get the code here. And we do. So I'm scanning the QR code. And now I'm saving. And now I have a using my authenticator that has all my other stuff in it. Instead of having another app, which is great. So if I do my code, in, and there we go. We're all set. So now I have 3 different methods of authentication in case I don't have something in particular. Last chance is usually an email that's outside of the organization so you can get to it. Could be a Gmail account or whatever. Just make sure that's not compromised. So there you go.